John Cannon with Cannon Associates. In today's video, I'm going to speak to you about the consequences and what can happen with a first-time DUI in the state of Oklahoma. When you're facing a first-time DUI or APC charge in the state of Oklahoma, you're facing the potential of up to a year in county jail and a substantial fine, along with consequences and probation terms. It is very important to have an experienced DUI defense attorney along your side to help you avoid these tough consequences and minimize the negative outcomes in your case. Typically, when you have a DUI arrest, it is subsequent to being observed with some type of driving behavior that law enforcement thinks is indicative of driving under the influence. When this happens, the law enforcement officer will pull you over and typically engage you in field sobriety tests if you're willing to do so. If you refuse, you will likely be arrested, and then you could be subjected to a blood alcohol test or an evaluation of your breath to determine whether or not you are intoxicated under Oklahoma law. Another common offense that's related to driving under the influence is driving under the influence of drugs. This has become more and more prevalent as prescription marijuana use has become legal in the state of Oklahoma. You do not have to have the typical 0.08 or another amount of alcohol in your system in order to be under the influence for drugs. If law enforcement and testing is able to identify any amount of an illegal substance in your system, this may be sufficient for conviction of driving under the influence of drugs. If your loved one has been arrested or stopped for a first-time DUI offense in the state of Oklahoma, it is crucial that you obtain a fierce advocate to assist you and your family. Here at Cannon Associates, we're dedicated to fighting for clients facing these types of charges, and we welcome you to visit our website for hundreds of resources, frequently asked questions, and feel free to reach out to us for a free confidential strategy session.